Welcome. Mike, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once again, mga Busano, hanapin sa Festival 2025. Our Busano with our motorcade, headed by our men in uniform, of Luzon PNP, with our new chief of police, of course, we have Police Major Narciso Alexis Jr. Our crowd protection is here to talk with us. Unit Jail Management Technology, thank you so much for joining the motorcade. We have here for Canada and Central Gallery. Thank you so much. Office of the Sangguniang Bayan, of course, headed by Sir Jerry Munida, our Secretary of First Vice Mayor. Viva Buena Vista and all our SB members, SB Ann Labaw, SB Ann Opican, SB John Lauria, and of course with the SB staff. Thank you so much for joining the motorcade. We have here also with us Mayor's Office. Thank you so much. And our Human Resource Management Office, headed by our driver, Mr. Lisa Montorio, HR. Next, we have Casa Amparo and Peter's Creation. Para sa inyong mandamit sa borosong mga pagkaon. Catering services for all kinds of occasions. All managed by Mr. Peter Lata. We have here also with us our Rido, our public market employees. Thank you so much. Population proper, Barangay Official. Thank you so much. Oh, yari ka diapit ng mga vloggers. Good morning, edit by mga big vlogs. Thank you so much. Office of Municipal Agriculturist, of course, with our agriculturist Nidan. Ang ala ng mga staff with her also. And of course, Municipal Treasurer and BPMO Office. NCR, thank you so much. Office of the Senior Citizen. We have here Sir Archibald Luna. Thank you so much. Barangay and People is also with us. Thank you so much. Honorable Senator Maglao. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our Tony. Thank you so much for joining the motorcade and the motor show organizer. Thank you so much. Ako naman tapos na. Of course, big leader at the Hotel Grupo at the chairman of our motor show. Thank you so much. Right, kabalikat? Writer na to. Mga writers, thank you so much for joining the motorcade. KKS, thank you so much. National Irrigation and Administration, of course, headed by their newly installed Division Manager, Engineer Julieta Gallardo. Thank you so much, Engineer Julieta Gallardo of National Irrigation and Administration. Thank you, ma'am, for joining our motorcade. Thank you so much, Nia, ang naghahatag tubig sa atong mga pangpanguma. And Rural Health Unit, of course, headed by Dr. Owen Liza Havero and staff. Thank you so much for joining the motorcade. Kapso naman. Barangay Burias, thank you so much. Barangay officials of Barangay Burias, thank you so much. SK Chairman of Barangay Burias, thank you so much. Ronald Bank of Mambusaw, nagapangutang sa baratong lamang na saka, walang collateral. Barangay Nahusan, headed by Capitan Rohero of Benya, and of course the rest of Barangay Council. Thank you so much. BENR, nagpangapin sa ating environment. Thank you so much. Agrarian Reform Provincial Office, STAR, thank you so much for joining the motorcade. of Barangay Bato-Bato. May kupon pa gid? Thank you so much, Barangay Bato-Bato. Barangay Tano to Bato-Bato. Thank you. We have here also with us, Barangay officials of Barangay Bati. Of course, headed sa atong Mapugros, Batak na Kapitan. Honorable Frederico Humbas, nalayon din kami mga lumat. Wapong kiyapon ng first dalas ng Barangay officials. Ma'am L.A., thank you so much sa Rural Health Unit. Thank you so much. Capiz State University, of course, Borias Campus. Thank you so much to all our mentors of Capiz State University, Borias Campus. Thank you so much. Our molders of our young generation. Capiz State University, Borias Campus. Barangay Malit is also with us, joining the motorcade. Thank you so much. And we have here also joining the motorcade, Caliway Cafe and Bite and Animal Bite Clinic. Join Citizen to 1825. Thank you so much. Ang atong Bambusan District Hospital. Thank you so much sa maraming pagpapakapit sa ating mga Pinoy. Ikaw, Boris Barr, also with us. Thank you so much. Campus, Capiz State University. Several Rodilla, thank you so much. Tumalawin Farmers Multipurpose Cooperative. Thank you so much, Manager Arlene Labo. Barangay Pampang North is also with us. Thank you so much. MSWPO, presented by our beautiful Ma'am Beverly Labis Talaban and staff. Thank you so much. Our PITAO, Person with Disability Affairs Office. Thank you. Apaw, dahil ang among head of PITAO, Ma'am Jenny Artesa. Thank you so much with your staff, Ana. Opo tayo dyan. Barangay Calaagos is also with us, headed by their Punong Barangay. Thank you so much. Naulihis Kapitan Malo Laho. Thank you so much, Barangay Tingluan. Barangay Population Tarok. Thank you so much. Of course, headed by the one and only Kapitan Tibot Ikoy. Walay Katulan. Thank you so much. Barangay Kagawan of Barangay Population Tarok, CBHWs, and of course your BSPOs and Barangay Tanong. Barangay Malalag is also with us, headed by Kapitan Arnel Luces. Thank you so much. Barangay Kagawan, thank you so much. Barangay Officials, CBHWs, BSPOs, and Punong Talot sa barangay. Thank you so much again. Kapitan Arnel Luces. Ang buong Revilla sa Barangay Malalag na anes sa asawa. Ang atong active basketball player na Kapitan Honorable Arnel Luces, and of course sa tanan-tanan ng mga barangay officials. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Danny Labara. Tao Gama Pisigma. Tao lagi sila absent pero may kadatuloy. Thank you so much, Tao Gama Pisigma. Thank you. Barangay Kaikid is coming with a handsome kapitan. Punong barangay, Honorable Pedro David, and of course, barangay officials. Thank you so much. Barangay Kaikid, Barangay Lipo. Ang buwan naman ng Kapitan, Honorable Yorito. Thank you so much. Barangay Bayi, tawag 18 anyos lang. Treasurer Barangay Council. Manibat, headed by Ma'am Arlene Labo, of course, and of course the rest of barangay officials. Thank you so much, Barangay Manibat. Our Office of the Municipal Accountant. Inaginigo na driver, ano na Ma'am Angel Adorang Kusay Laurya at the Municipal Accountant. Barangay Tumalaran is also with us, joining the motorcade. Thank you so much. Barangay officials sa Barangay Tumalaran, thank you so much. Engineering Department, headed by Engineer Ferdinand. Barangay Bunga, Robert Joel Llorente, the rest of barangay officials. At ang municipal engineer, dahil ka sa likod, Engineer Alejandro Labo. Assistant Engineer lang nito po si Ferdinand. Ano dyan? Permalalo, thank you so much. Kagawad Bergamera, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the new arrival, bago na nagabot, nasa Laksyan sa ating Municipal Treasurer's Office, Mr. Nino Pisa Romero. Di ba ikaw yung drive? Okay, yes, thank you so much, Treasurer's Office personnel. Thank you so much. Sir? MMPI. Ano ka din MMPI? Mitsukusi. Thank you so much for joining the motorcade. Barangay Antiplogen. Tatlong hugla o te barangay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Barangay Kagawad. Thank you so much. Lerona, thank you so much. Reformers Guardians International Elected Aquilan Chapter Mambusan Campus joins Nilsan Festival 2020 Kalawit pa. Ako yung masahod. Thank you so much. The Guardians, thank you so much. Sir Lago, ano ka ganda? Again, Guardians, thank you so much. Mambusan Tourism Office. Happy Innocent Festival 2025. Headed by Sir Kenneth P. Llorente, LCR Mau Padillos Andaya. Ang aking mga candidates, Mr. and Miss Innocent 2025. Thank you so much. And I hope to look at beautiful people. Ang salakyan for the city, Honorable John Ria, our SB member.
Yung na nga before dinigit municipal flag ko no, ang malisir mo kinit, tapos ko sa SP, ay napinangitan at
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful ladies and gentlemen vying for the title of Mr. and Miss Lisa 2025. Department heads, bili ko rin kita sa likod, asal na. With us is Vice Mayor Raymond Bernavista, thank you so much. SP Ann Labao, SP Catherine Laurya, SP Rauti Car, SP John Laurilla, thank you so much. SP Pati Matupos Lahano, thank you so much. Mga Cristo Ruiz, harapan naman na drivers, napinalagay na drivers, wala na si Yotsuka, Kapitaw Lurin Libre. Thank you so much, Mga Cristo Ruiz. Thank you for joining the motorcade. Again, thank you, Honorable John Laurilla sa giving mo sa Laksyan. Thank you so much. Ginagawa sa mga presensya sa ating pinalagay ng Mayor, Honorable Vicario A. Lapao Jr. Itang tadraan si Engineer Louis Toledo, Sir Louis good morning. Barangay Tugas is also with us. Barangay officials of Barangay Tugas headed by the beautiful Kapitan, Honorable Angelita Taolo. Thank you so much sa mga barangay officials, kagawad, thank you so much. Mapusa Rubin, thank you so much. And Barangay Balatan CPHWs, thank you so much for joining our project game. Mayor Julio Di Gallo Labo is also with us. Thank you so much, Mayor Di Gallo Labo Jr. Pundaki Mambusao and Abel Nano also with us. Wow, the beautiful Lavender Rose. Thank you also. Ma'am, ano ba dyan? MDRRFO, ang matik natin ng mga president sa pagluwas sa katuloy sa mga mamusano. Pagkatipan sa mga tumuloy sa mga pusang SP Fatima Tupas Trajano. Thank you so much. Nagsunod din siya galing sa Notre K. SK Federation, of course, thank you so much. Headed by our SK Federation President, thank you so much. Honorable Frederick, thank you so much. Buena Vista, the very active, high there, supporting walang tulong. MDRRMO, Mr. John Paul Sabia, thank you so much. Barangay Sinunduan, Barangay officials sa Sinunduan, thank you for joining the morning day. Mr. Sir Edwin Lauder, thank you so much. Honorable Edwin Lauder, thank you so much. Barangay Pampansoro is also with us. Thank you so much. Barangay officials sa Barangay Pampansoro. Nabilko, George Citizen 2025. Salamat sa kasama. Wala now. Basta ka namin. Festival. Ula, thank you so much, Ma'am Princess. Thank you. Alakdan! Bakit? Kayo ang muna. Thank you so much. Okay. Alakdan na dyan. RGI Alakdan. Thank you so much for joining the Mountain Day. For joining our opening salvo. Thank you so much. RGI Alakdan. Guardians.
Alakdan chapter.
Alakdan chapter. Thank you so much. JHL Magukan joins Innocent Festival 2025 para sa Pagko. Manamit sa oras ng mga inasal. Thank you so much. And we have also with us Boy Sisi of Mambusao. Thank you so much for joining our logic game. Ma'am Baba, our municipal assessor. Thank you so much. Picar Medies Building, Livers Restaurant, and of course, Tabo Pagkakita ng mga negosyo. Thank you so much. All managed by Miss Reyna Picar. Barangay Pinay, thank you so much. Barangay officials of Barangay Pinay. Kapitan Leona, thank you. Kapitan Leona. Gloria Leona of Barangay Pinay, thank you so much. Motopos. Thank you so much, Motopos, for joining the motorcade. Barangay Bulan, okay, ka mo. Makatulog, this Kapitan. This Kapitan, and of course, mga kagawad, thank you Sergio.